good morning to everyone. First of all, give a nice smile. Very good. Now tell me, do you remember what we learned yesterday? Yes, between numbers. So let's do the recap of it orally. Now look here children. Which number is this? 2. That one? 4. So what will come between 2 and 4? 3. Which number is this? 1, 7, 17. That one? 1, 9, 19. So what will come between 17 and 19? 18. 2, 9, 29. 3, 1, 31. So what will come between 29 and 31? 3, 0, 30. 3, 5, 35. 3, 7, 37. So what will come between 35 and 37? 3, 6, 36. 4, 1, 41. 4, 3, 43. So what will come between 41 and 43? 4, 2, 42. Now let us practice between numbers by writing in our notebook. So first we will write the date 1/8/18 dot 6.2020. Now we will write on the top between numbers capital B E T W double E N, between capital N U M B E R S, between numbers. Now first on the top put 2 small dots from the margin line. Below these 2 dots write down number 2, 121 dot dash into box dot 2323. Below 21 put 2 dots, write down 4, 8, 48 dot dash into box dot 5050. Again put 2 dots. Now children, we are going to write single number. So we will put one more dot over here and we will write number 7 below 1's place. Put a dot, dash into box, dot. Again I am going to write single number. So I am going to put one more dot and write number 9 over here. 2 dots, 1, 3, 13 dot dash into box dot 1, 5, 15. Put 2 dots, below 2 dots 3, 0, 30, dot, dash in 2 box, dot, 3, 2, 32. Again put 2 dots. Write 2, 6, 26, dot, dash in 2 box, dot, 2, 8, 28. Again put 2 dots. Now again I am going to write single number. So I have to put a single dot over here. Then only number 3. Put a dot. Dash in 2 box. 1 dot. Again one single number. So one more dot. And then write number 5. Again put 2 dots. Below 2 dots. 3, 6, 36. Dot. Dash in 2 box. Dot. 3, 8, 38. Now let us write the answers. Which number is this? 2, 1, 21. This is 2, 3, 23. So what will come between 21 and 23? 22. 2, 2, 22. 4, 8, 48. 5, 0, 50. So what will come in between? 4, 9, 49. Now which number is this? 7. This one 9. So what will come between 7 and 9? 8. But 8 is a single number. So we have to put one dot here. Then write 8 over here. 1, 3, 13. 1, 5, 15. So what will come between 13 and 15? 1, 4, 14. 3, 0, 30. 3, 2, 32. So what will come between 30 and 32? 3, 1, 31. 2, 6, 26. 2, 8, 28. So what will come between 26 and 28? 2, 7, 27. Now which number is this? 3. This one 5. So what will come between 3 and 5? 4. Now 4 is a single number digit. So we have to put a dot here. Then write 4 in this box. 3, 6, 36. 3, 8, 38. So what will come between 36 and 38? 3, 7, 37. So write 3, 7, 37. We will meet very soon, children. Till then, bye.